Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivakant Pathak here available with you to see important topic, that is the Carnot theorem in thermodynamics. The statement of Carnot theorem is given here. What is the statement? According to this theorem, it has two statements. The first statement is no engine can have 100% efficiency. No heat engine can have efficiency 100%. That is, efficiency eta is always less than 100%. This heat engine, the Carnot heat engine, works between two temperature difference T1 and T2. T1 is the temperature of source and T2 is a temperature of sink. So any Carnot heat engine working between two temperature T1 and T2, in which T1 is greater than T2, then no ideal heat engine have a efficiency 100%, or it means that efficiency is always less than 100%. Second statement is, see carefully, the efficiency of Carnot engine is independent of nature of working substance. What does mean of working substance? So you are knowing the part of Carnot heat engine. There is a source, working system and a sink. So working substance is maybe solid, liquid or gas or in any state. The efficiency does not depends on the state of a fuel. Fuel may be of anyone. In petrol engine, the fuel is a petrol, working substance is a petrol. Diesel engine, diesel. Gas, LPG, CNG engine. Or if we are able to make, we can make solid as a working substance also. But efficiency of heat engine does not depend on, see the factor, working substance. It is independent of that. So fuel any one of may have taken to form that. To prove this theorem of both part, let us consider a combined system. This combined system is in front of you. See this combined system here, right? Here in this we are considering two systems. One is irreversible engine. Irreversible engine is represented by I here in this case. This is irreversible. Civil heat engine, right? It takes Q1 amount of heat from the source, does W1 amount of work, and Q1 minus W1 amount of heat rejected to the sink. Sink is at temperature T2 and source is at temperature T1. So we have this irreversible heat engine. We are going to take another reversible engine. This reversible engine, what is this? reversible engine. This reversible engine works like a refrigerator. We are knowing that heat pump or refrigerator work in opposite cycle. This reversible engine which take heat from the cold body. Let it take heat Q1 minus W from a sink. See carefully. The both heat engine works in order. Irreversible engine works as a heat engine, whereas a reversible engine works as a heat pump or a refrigerator, which works in opposite order, which takes Q1 minus W amount of heat from the sink, and the W amount of work is done on the engine and rejected Q1 amount of heat to the source to complete the cycle. So here see, both engine work in cycle, right? The first one is which is a irreversible, working as a heat engine. Second is the reversible, which works in opposite order like a refrigerator here in the system to complete the cycle. Here in this, heat is taken from the source, does work, rejected heat to the sink. Again this engine in same time absorb Q1 minus W amount of heat. W amount of work is done on this, and Q1 amount of is rejected to the source in that condition, in such a way that temperature of a source, heat taken and rejected to both are equal, so total heat of the source remains constant here in the system, right? Now we are going to talk about the efficiency of both. To discuss the efficiency of both engine working in this, see, efficiency we are knowing denoted by eta. Efficiency of reversible engine, that is the heat pump, which is always less than efficiency of heat engine, irreversible engine. So it is represented NR is less than NI. When we take this as a system, see very carefully here in this case. So we may say that Q1 minus W, this amount of heat absorbed from the sink by reversible refrigerator here in this is always less than heat rejected here. Always greater than, not less than, greater than Q1 minus W1. See carefully here in this case. It's always greater. In this couple engine, which is known as by a name IR system. See this IR system, reversible, irreversible, reversible system. Irreversible works as a heat engine, and it is reversible engine is as a refrigerator. So both are working in a reverse cycle. It is in this direction and it is in this direction works, right? Both works here, and see, if we take efficiency in this way, if we efficiency of reversible engine is less than efficiency of irreversible, so in that condition we may write, and this can also implemented that this W is less than W1, right? So this mathematical figure we may imagine. See here one more conclusion by it. In IR system, in which we discuss two engine works. Here in this system, if we obtain the differences of both, that is Q1 minus W minus Q1 minus W1. So when we do this, this is equal to, after calculating we can write it is W1 minus W. See the significance of this. What it speak here in the significance of this amount. See W1 minus W from the sink. See the sink is here. Sink is at temperature T2. Here in this sink has a very much importance to understand the concept here. So see this sink and deliver the same amount of work. What is work? This same amount of heat absorbed, W1 minus W from the sink, and same amount of work is done by the system, and no change here on the source, no change on the temperature of source. So temperature remains constant here in the system if it's work like this. If it's work like this, whatever heat is taken from the sink, 100% amount of work is this same amount of work is done by the IR system, and no change in the temperature. It is against the second law of thermodynamics. What is the second law of thermodynamics? To understand this second law of thermodynamics, see this IR system, in which no system can be possible which can flow heat from lower temperature to higher temperature without doing work on the working substance. Without doing work on the working substance. Right? Here in this. So see, then what does it mean? So we can see that here we have taken NR is equal to NI here. Either we take NR is less than NI, which we have assumed here in this case, or efficiency of irreversible engine is less than reversible engine. This both have no mean. This both have no mean because both is against second law of thermodynamics. Both is against the second law of thermodynamics. Right? So hence, what is the conclusion here? See the conclusion which is very important here. Working between two temperature T1 and T2. T1 is a temperature of a source and T2 is a temperature of sink. Here in this, engine have efficiency that is represented by eta greater than Carnot reversible engine. Reversible engine. This proves the first statement. No engine can have 100% efficiency, and it is explained by IR system.